just starting Ben More. You can see the behemoth there. I think we're starting about 200 meters, going over 1,000. Apparently relentless steep ascent is what Walk Highlands has said. Just parked along the motorway there, just by Glen Docker or River Docker, so we lay by there. In hindsight, I think I'd have just parked up there with the hazards on, but yeah. I know for my partner it's a really steep climb. Just done a couple other Munros the other day, so my legs are kind of feeling it. But here we go, there's a pair of boots and a pair of gloves, eh? You might see them up on Vinted from myself, please buy. So that's me just at the fork in the road path. I'm off to the left for Ben More, and then that's the route I'm going to come back down. I'm at 326, I think it's 1,000 plus, so I've got a while to go. But I've got my wee Trekology poles. One's got the foot attachment, one's got the spike, which is really helping me get up on the high ground. And I've got my Salomon speed crosses on, nice and light, nice and durable, and good grip. So yeah, so I'm over halfway. The wind and the mist is coming in a bit. It's not meant to be great weather today. It's meant to start being light to moderate rain in about a couple hours time. Hopefully it stays off. And the winds are about to be 20-25 tops, which isn't too bad. I've definitely got a sweat on now. It's been relentless. We're at about 800 metres and it's really just vertical now. Steepness on that. Quite nice still. I think at the top I'm going to see nothing though, because the clouds. Visibility is rubbish, but I am praying that is the cairn there. It's been relentless was the word. I can concur. Relentless. Super views over Ben Lors. We've got Ben Louie and Ben Oss over there. Absolutely stunning. There it is. The cairn of Ben More. Nope, it's not, because that must be over there. Whoop. And here actually lies the top of Ben More. 1,174 metres, and one of the tallest southerly ones going, and I definitely felt that on the way up. We've just finished Ben More, and then we're going to come over to Stob Binnein, and then back the way we came. Well no, actually no, it's a different route, back a different route, which will be nice. I've got my apple, I've got my tandoori chicken baguette with roast chicken crisps inside it. Yeah, it's good, really really good. It was clearing up, and now it's not. Ratings, lunch, 4 out of 5. We're going to go with 5. Difficulty of Ben More, right, so I don't want to give it a 5. Not a 5, there'll be harder things to go. I'm swithering over a 4. It was so steep, didn't stop steepness wise, which was really getting to me. And just like 2 hours up, of just that incline. So I'm not sure. I'm thinking 4 on difficulty. Path, beautiful though, 5 out of 5 at the path. Really nice steps, really well done. Bog, not been any bog, a little bit just there, maybe a 1. Nice wee bit of scrambling, there's 2 little bits to do with scrambling, which is quite cool. But yeah, I'd probably give it a 4. I think the overall walk difficulty would be like a 3, but I think Ben More individually is probably going to have to get a 4. Although I can't actually see what Stob Binnein's got in store. Hopefully something nice. So that's the final approach of Stob Binnein. Been going about 3.5 hours. Had a few stops. You can see the conditions have not improved. Just hoping this is the top here. Oh, no, guess it'll be over there then. Yeah, the top's about 1,140 metres, so I'll get you there. So there's the top, 1,165 metres. Terrible visibility, nice way up, really good path. Nice and actually quite gentle compared to Ben More. So yeah, looking forward to trying to get down. Oh. Oh-hoo. It's a nice little track here. Definitely getting some time, hopefully. So that is me off the hills. It's nice that the mist is just rolling away. Now you can see a bit more of the peaks. But yeah, that's it really. Looks like I'm just on like a pretty well marked out forest path, track path. It's looking lovely, so I think I might just put the poles away and get a jog on back to the car. And that's us back at the split. Show a wee bit of a view now. I'm humped, sweated through. Hopefully it's nice enough to go for a wee dip in the river walking. Can't remember which one it is. Oof, that's nice. Much needed. It's a long walk. Wish I had the wetsuit with me. It'd be a lovely night to go for a swim, but didn't bring it. But yeah, a good day out.